How to hide your subscribers in YouTube. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to hide subscribers in YouTube. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your YouTube application itself. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see a new option. Simply click onto it. Then from here simply click onto your channel. Then here on the top right corner you can see three dots. Simply click onto it. Then here simply click on help and feedback. Then here simply click on send feedback. Then here simply click on get started. Now here simply write that you need to hide your subscribers in YouTube due to some privacy reasons, and simply explain a reason. After that simply click on the send button right here. After that, within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team YouTube will reach out to you and guide you through your problem, and they will provide you a fix which will be genuine because it is officially provided by the team itself. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.